Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can solve internet connection problem of Centos operating system. Here I have installed a new Centos operating system. So first of all I will start the virtual machine. Okay, login as a root user. First of all, I will check the internet connection is working or not. For this, I will run ping command here. So ping google.com. It shows name or service not known. That means internet is not working. There are two solutions. One is temporary solution and the second is permanent solution. First of all, I will show you the temporary solution to get internet connection instantly. So run the command -client-v. If it shows the network configuration and your active IP address, that means it is already get the internet connection. So again check the command ping google.com, and now you can see it is responding. That means the machine is getting the internet connection. But if you shut down the machine and again restart it, then the internet connection will be lost and you have to run the same command again. I am going to shut down it now. Okay, again restart the machine. Login as root user, and if I ping again ping google.com, then it is again showing name or service not known. That means internet connection is lost. So each client is a temporary solution. Now I will show you how you can set the permanent internet connection on your Centos operating system. For this, you have to open a file. So go to the folder first, cd etc sysconfig /network -scripts. Okay, if I run the ls command here, then you can see some files. I will configure these files if cfg enp0s3. So open the file using vi editor. If you are login as other user without root user, then you have to type sudo before vi command. The file name if cfg enp0 is 3. Okay, this is the existing content. First of all, I will change on boot yes. Type the I for edit the data and type yes, and add another 2 line for get the internet connection. DNS1 equal to 8.8.8.8, DNS2 equal to 8.8.4.4, and now save the file using :wq. Okay, now restart your network service. So type service network register. Okay, now run the ping command again. You can see it is getting the network connection. Okay, now I will power up the machine and again start it to show the internet connection is working without any configuration. Again run the ping command, ping. You can see internet is working. Hope this tutorial will help you to solve the internet connection on Centos. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can install Genome desktop on Centos operating system. Thank you for watching.